Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find additional settings. Now we have to tap on date and time, which is on the very first position, and here we've got some options which we can finally customize. But as you can see, the date, time and time zone options are inactive, so it means that we have to turn off the network provided time and time zone, and those options are defaultly set. So let's simply tap on those switchers, and as you can see right now, we can freely tap on date. We can change it just by swiping, so let's change it. Let's pick 2010. I was very young then, so let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. We can also tap on the time, and the same situation, just by swiping we can change the time. So let me pick, for example, something like that. Let's tap on OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar also. We can change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see, here we've got the full list of all available options from which we can choose. So all you have to do, of course, is to find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I don't know, I will pick maybe Vietnam. As you can see, it has been applied. Let's get back, and it's visible also right here, but be aware that if you will change the time zone, the time will also change according to it. I hope that you can remember that I've said probably 10 o'clock, and right now we've got 3 o'clock, almost 3:30. So we can also customize the time format. And after tapping on it, we can see that we've got 3 different options. So we've got the automatic one, which is based on the system language, and it's quite a cool option. But we can, let's say, manually decide what kind of format we want to use. So we've got 12-hour format or 24-hour format. And I think that right now we've got 24-hour format. So let me pick 12-hour format. And as you can see, it will be immediately changed. Under it, we've got also the option dual clock. So you will be able to apply the clock with totally another time from totally another place in the world. It's up to you. You can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher, and here you can tap on second clock and you will be able to pick the region for it. It's really up to you if you want to use it or not. I don't really like the dual clock, so I will turn it off. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time manually. And of course, if you want to, you can get back to all previous settings. So let me pick automatic, which is based on the system language, and turn on the network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.